Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve this basic mathematics question by using mathematics formula or rule. Okay, we have a question where 5000 square minus 4999 square. We have to find the value of this equation without taking the help of calculators. Okay, calculators are not allowed. So here we see we have two squares having in between negative sign. So you know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, apply this formula on this equation. You will get 5000 square 5000 plus 4 999 and 5000 minus 4 999. Okay, now add these three, add 5000 plus 4 999, you will get 9 9 and 9 okay, and from here you will get 1. Now 999 into 1, answer will be 9999. So you see it is very easy if you know how to use a square minus b square, this formula, so you can easily solve this question, right? If you like this video, then hit the like button. Also subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. See you in next video with an interesting another question. Until then, bye bye.